guys, in today's video we'll be covering how to make a note and hand system like this. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to PowerPoint or Canva and get any picture of a hand with paper in it. The picture I'm using is going to be linked in the description, and then you want to add your text on top of it, and then you want to export this as a transparent image. Next, when you're inside Unreal Engine, you're going to want the 3D model of your note, and then you also want the transparent image that you just created. So we're going to start off by right-clicking and creating another blueprint class, which is an actor, and we're just going to call this bp_note. So we can double-click to open, and then we want to drag in the static mesh, so all of them for me. And then I want to scale it, so for me 0.2 is an appropriate size. And then another thing we want to do is we want to add a trigger box. Oh, not a trigger box, a box collision. And then we want to scale that up, just like this. So you can compile and save. And then you want to scroll down over here while you've selected the box collision. You want to go to on component begin overlap, and then you want to also go back and look for on component end overlap. So on component begin overlap, you want to out of other actor drag and look for a cast to DP first person character. So what this is going to do is it's only going to run the next code if our player interacted with the note. So then you want to just get, or first we need to actually go into your content browser and then go into your widget folder wherever you have the image. You want to right click, and then we want to look for user interface and widget blueprint. Click on user widget, and we're just going to call this widget_note. Again, double click. Then you want to look for a canvas panel, and you want to scale this up to fit the largest screen size, this one. And then you want to get an image. And then just select your image. So mine is called widget image. And then you want to scale it. Set the anchor to center, alignment to 0.5.5. You're going to change the position back, and then we can just scale. So this is good for me. Compile and save. So back in your bp_note, out of cast bp first person character, we want to create widget, and the class is going to be our widget note over here. w_note. The return value is going to be add to viewport. So we can compile and save. And the next thing we also want to do is select all of your static meshes, and then we want to just out of one of them we can call set hidden in game, and then we can just plug all three of these into the same target of the same node. We're going to set hidden to true. Now we pretty much want to reverse the process on component end overlap. So first we're just going to get cast out of other actor, cast to bp first person character, and then we're going to get all widgets of class. Class is going to be w_note. Found widgets, out of found widgets we're going to get a for each loop. Then the array element we're going to remove from parent. Plug that into loop body, and out of completed we can just select this, paste that over here. Out of completed we just want to untick new hidden. That should pretty much be it. We can check it out. So I'm just going to place the BP note over here somewhere. I'll rotate it around. I'll move it a little forward here. And as you can see, we can see the trigger box, and you can adjust it accordingly. So actually, I'm going to make my trigger box a little smaller around the sides. So something like this. Bring it a little closer in. You can check it out now. This is looking a little better. So as you see, when I approach, it's appeared in my hand and it's disappeared from the screen. So it looks like I might leave the trigger box when I do that. So I might want to make it a little bigger. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want to make more cool things like this chair and this TV, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.